In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Click to Call button on Google Sites. Let's start by opening your site in Google Sites. Make sure you're in editing mode, not just viewing the live site. If you manage multiple sites, choose the one you want to update from your site's dashboard. Once the editor loads, head to the page where you want your call button to appear. Many people place it on the home page so it's easy to find, but you can add it anywhere you like. With your page open, look to the right-hand insert panel. Find the button option and click it. This opens a small dialog where you'll set up the label and the link. If you don't see the insert panel, make sure the Insert tab is selected at the top of the right sidebar. In the name field, type the text you want to appear on the button. Keep it short and action-oriented so visitors know exactly what will happen. Examples include Call Now, Call Us, or Speak to Support. Clear wording helps increase clicks and reduces confusion, especially on mobile. Next, add the link that makes the call happen. In the link field, type TEL, followed by your phone number. For example, TEL, followed by your full number with country code if you serve international callers. Avoid spaces. Keep it simple and consistent so devices can read it correctly. This TEL format tells phones and many desktop browsers with calling apps to start a call when the button is clicked. If your audience is mostly mobile, this is especially effective. When your label and link look good, click Insert. The new button will appear on your page, and you can drag it to place it where it's most visible, near the top of a section, next to your contact info, or in a contact block. Use the alignment handles to center it or align it with nearby elements, and resize it so the text is easy to read. Consider contrast and color so the button stands out against your background. If you want it on multiple pages, you can copy and paste the same button wherever it's needed for a consistent experience. Before you wrap up, click the preview icon to test how it behaves on desktop and mobile views. On phones, tapping should prompt a call. On some desktops, it may open a calling app. If nothing happens, double-check your TEL link format. Once you're satisfied, your visitors will be able to tap the button and connect with you right away.